When I'm angry, I am eating food. Anamasakwa, I am washing clothes. Anamagwakukwa, I am reading a book. Asusu Igbo Dinuta, the Igbo language is sweet. Isi Nri to cook, Ịgba Ọsọ to run, Izụ Ihe to buy something. Kaimuta verb star, let us learn verb today. Isi Nri to draw, Iwulelu to jump, Igenti to listen. Asusu Igbo Dinuta, the Igbo language is sweet. Dakwa, you are ironing clothes. Ibinolor, you are living in a house. In Azajuju, you are answering questions. Aimuta verbs, let us learn verbs. Asusu Igbo Dinuta, the Igbo language is sweet. Isi Nri to cook, Ịgba Ọsọ to run, Izụ Ihe to buy something. Star, let us learn verb today. Isi Ihe to draw, Iwulelu to jump, Igenti to listen. Asusu Igbo Dinuta, the Igbo language is sweet. On a bus or he or she is running. On a Isi Nri to cook, on a Ịgba Ọsọ to run, on a Izụ Ihe to buy something, on a Izụ Ihe to draw, on a Ulelu to jump, on a Igenti to listen. Kaimuta verb star, let us learn verbs today. Asusu Igbo Dinuta, the Igbo language is sweet. Isi Nri to cook, Ịgba Ọsọ to run, Izụ Ihe to buy something. Learn verb today. Isi Ihe to draw, Iwulelu to jump, Igenti to listen. Asusu Igbo Dinuta, the Igbo language is sweet.